Folks, it's made in America. The most luxurious destinations in America. It's what's behind me. This is a brand new 2025 Redwood Regency 372 FD. Perfect. It's a front living room with a two opposing slide with the kitchen island in the middle, two bathroom, king size bedroom, suite with a two vanity and washer and dryer built in. This is a full paint unit. There's no decals whatsoever on this unit. Most luxurious. Look the front. Automated windows in the front, and by the way, it's open from inside with the shade. The shade open with motor. I really admire the look of the unit. I really admire the slide out with the slide toppers. This one has a 2+3 years, 2 years warranty and 3-year structure. It's the Redwood luxury vehicle. Huge power awning with LED lights. All the hookup right there for that destinations. 50 amp cord. Big storage underneath the bed, and it's, by the way, it's a king size bed. And then you have another two slide out here opposing the other slide with the slide toppers. Folks, we're inside the Redwood Regency 3721 FD, the most luxurious destinations. Look at this amenities inside this. The furniture in this one, this is residential furniture. This is not RV furniture. From the recliners, these are power recliners and light up underneath. The table with the two chair, and by the way, this is open as you could see, and you could store things underneath it. And then this is extend. As you see right there, I could extend the table. Cell phone charger underneath, right there. Coming down over here, you have the big smart TV with a fireplace. But people, they don't believe me. This is a true tile. This is not plastic. This is a porcelain tile in the back splash. The counter is a 1 inch to almost 2 inch edge counters in all of them. Residential microwave, residential 3-burner range and an oven. And again, you could put a turkey. This is a solid wood, not paper wrapped. Self-closing, dovetail doors. Look all this compartment, look all this storage. Going to the kitchen counter space. Again, the 2 inch, the tinsel trash door, and then you come with a dishwasher, and this is a big dishwasher, not the small one. More storage, tinsel doors, deeper sink and bigger with waterfall cup and water preparations, soap dispenser, refrigerators. This is a major brand refrigerator. Samsung with the ice maker right there. And ladies, you want your pantry? There it is, a pantry complete with a big shelf. Ladies, you want a place for your coffee maker? It's a porcelain with that nice porcelain backsplash. Central vac, come with it. More, all the light switches on this unit. You can see you control whatever you like. It's all over here. And then here's the guest bathroom. Even the guest bathroom, the countertop, it's a solid service, not a Formica. Bigger Lippert toilet, and it's deeper. Linen closets, fantastic fan in the ceiling. And going to the master bedroom, you can see the separation, folks, in this unit. So you have a full living room, and then you have full privacy for the main bedroom suite. So you have a nice, beautiful bedroom suite. It's a king size bed, and again, this is a full king size bed with a big smart TV facing the bed, and then a closet for his, closet for her, then a lot of drawers for tins, for sockets, socks, underwear. So a nice vanity over here for makeup. A window, they still kept the window for you to give you bright. Even when you close this door, you have full privacy in your master bedroom suite. Big storage over the bed, big huge storage underneath. Those are two foldable chairs If you have more guests, you could use them in the dinette. And this is what is sold the unit. I love this bathroom because it's so roomy. And then the wife has her own sink, and the guy has his own sink. Huge counter space between the two sinks for hair dryers, makeup, whatever's plugs right there. Medicine cabinet over here. Another place for storage, makeup, and so on. And then there's a big linen closet over here, over the toilet, more storage. And then this is what I love. You could not believe how so nice when the units come already built in with a water and dryers, and the doors vented for you. Everything is done for you. You don't have to do nothing, just start using it. And then over here you have a beautiful standing shower, and it's one piece, not two pieces. You can sit on it, do your business, like voila. The water does not go outside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 shower heads, very roomy, height, no issue at all. So you could see the beautiful 3721. Again, everything is high end here, from the solid one, from the 2 TVs, from the washer dryers, from the bigger living room. And by the way, people, they don't realize this shade over here, it's electric. So I don't have, I really admire the front of the Redwood. The front of the Redwood is look like a nice airplane. It's like a jumbo jet. But you can see how beautiful, all finished, the lighting, the shelving, the crown molding in the ceiling, the crown molding in the floor. People, they don't realize this one has a crown molding baseboard. Look, it has a baseboard like houses, baseboard, and it has a crown molding like luxury homes. It's smart LEDs, 3 ACs. I mean, the list is on and on and on. But I want you to see how beautiful this view when you park it next to a river or oceans or in the forest. Yes, now you're seeing RVs, but look how it's so roomy. Look how bright it is. And you could have 2 people sitting here, 2 to 3 people, 2 here or 3. So I could have 6 people sitting, have a nice social conversations. And all these shades is come with 2 layers. As you see, this is the night time, and then there's one over here. You roll it down if you want it during the daytime. So the advantage for you on the Redwood is 2 layer shade, not one. One I could use it for daytime so I could see through it, and then the other one is at nighttime where nobody could see anything. So that's the advantage on the Redwood Regency. So Redwood Regency, it's everything in Redwood Fitwell is on that unit, except that's Redwood Fitwell. This is destination. So if somebody come over here saying, I want a really nice destination, I want no decals because I'm tired from them, they look bad after 2 years from the sun hitting them. I want everything I asked, solid wood, everything luxury Fitwell has, but I want it in destination. Well, this is it. This is Redwood. Redwood 372, it's perfect. 2 bathroom, ready to live in. Just come to Best RV. We shop. We get you this price. No one could match it in the state of California. And yes, we have it in stock, and we'd love to deliver to your son. Come to Best RV.